Countrywide recruitment of new members across the country began in April this year in a move aimed at strengthening the party nationwide ahead of a major transition that is expected to take place within the party in restructuring the party both at the grassroots and at the national level. Mike Kagwongo now reports.
Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala has hinted at a major shake-up that is going to take place within the ANC party in a view of consolidating its base as it takes to command the support of all regions in the country with an aim of propelling ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi to the top seat in the country. Malala, who was speaking when he attended a church service at the Church of God Kenya in Mariakani area of South B in Nairobi, says in order to gain the support of other communities apart from the Western Kenya bloc, much has to be done, and this is the solemn reason this recruitment drive is happening early enough as the ANC party continues to position itself as the party of choice come 2022.
At the end of this month, sisi kama chama cha ANC, tunaanza countrywide recruitment drive. Tunaanza kufungua chama chetu kwamba kila Mkenya aingie katika chama cha ANC. Na mimi ninaenda kuongoza the nationwide recruitment drive ya chama cha ANC. Tunaenda kugonga milango ya kila jamii Kenya yetu. Mara kwa mara watu wamesema kwamba Musalia ama chama cha ANC ni chama cha Waluya peke yake. La, tunataka sasa tufungue milango, chama chetu kiwe chama cha kitaifa. Tunataka tutembee, tuende kwa Wakikuyu, tuende kwa Wamijikenda, tuende kwa Wamasai, tuende kwa Wakalenjin. Tuende tuwaombe tu wasimame na kiongozi wetu Musalia Mudavadi.
Malala was quick to point out that after he reconciled with the ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi after a difference on a few ideological stands, time has now come for the Amani party to also consider making key changes at its national secretariat and offices in order to accommodate as many like-minded leaders as possible, and also to give the leadership of the party the true face of Kenya.
We must change the structure ya national office ya ANC. Mimi nilikuwa mstari wa mbele kusema kwamba utapata chairman wa ANC ni kabila moja, utapata secretary general ni kabila moja, party leader kabila moja, treasurer kabila moja. We cannot propel Musalia to presidency kama hiyo ofisi ya ANC itabaki kuwa ofisi ya kabila moja.
The Kakamega senator, who was on the forefront during the Matungu mini polls where Musalia Mudavadi's ANC party clinched the seat, has recently been vocal on issues pertaining to the party and Mudavadi's presidential ambitions. The latest engagements by the Kakamega senator are said to be part of the major fixes that ANC party will be considering, even as it seeks to form new alliances or coalitions with like-minded political friends like KANU, Ford Kenya and Wiper.
Of course, we are alive of the fact that we are going to an electioneering period whereby in Kenya, you either have coalitions or partners in any of your political journey. We are alive of that fact, and we are considering looking at alliances which are going to ensure that we fulfill the manifesto of ANC. We're not just going into any other alliance. You meet somebody on the road, you don't know his CV, he has a very bad history, maybe he was a thief, and since he has shown that he can mobilize some people, you take him into an alliance.
Already, a hint on a new emerging formation in the offing is on a high gear after the four principals Musalia Mudavadi of ANC, Moses Wetangula of Ford Kenya, Kalonzo Musyoka of Wiper Party and Gideon Moira of KANU joined hands in efforts in the just concluded by-elections in Matungu, Kabuchai and Machakos, where ANC, Ford Kenya and Wiper won the seat respectively. Malala says working with ODM again may be impractical since they have already announced that they will be fielding a presidential candidate, and yet ANC has its party leader Musalia Mudavadi going for the top seat. For TV 47, I'm Mike Kagwongo.